So here's the new fridge. Like I said, I'm going to show it to you when it's got food in it now. We put the locks on. And she holds quite a bit of food. And Chinese leftovers. In the freezer. There you go. Little update on the unique 12-volt refrigerator, 10.3 cubic feet. Got a little tight on both wall sides. On the other video you can see it, but I just put this blower fan in here, 12 volt. It has a really good airflow. That'll keep it from overheating. Blow some of that hot air right up to the top of the roof vent. Up there. Okay.